Hey people, it is 7 in the morning as I'm recording all this. I'm done with my bath. I'm all dressed and ready because I have these eye healing classes that I'm about to conduct in Phoenix Arena. Today being a Friday, I get to meet my child. I'll be seeing my kid. I'm so happy about that. But I've discovered something very amazing. Like routine has a way of you do so much more when there's some sort of. I mean, like of course it's plain common sense, I guess. But for me, it's something. It's quite a revelation that that like see yesterday I ate 15 carrots. I know, news flash, but seriously, I think I did this more because and the effect it has on the skin and the face is so much better than if you sit and apply something and facial and all of that. So really, जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं जैसा अन्न वैसा मन and वैसा तन also, I mean the body. So anyway people, I'm all set for this class. I'm looking forward to it. There's this book on Ayurveda that I've been reading, Ayurveda Simplified, which is from the Art of Living, but I'll do a review of it in one of my coming videos. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.